the process by which oxygen is released into the atmosphere is photosynthesis. We'll perform a very simple experiment to prove that oxygen gas is evolved when plants manufacture their food by the process of photosynthesis. The materials required for the experiment are a beaker, funnel, test tube, glass rod, the water plant hydrilla, water, the salt sodium bicarbonate, the spirit lamp for a splinter, for lighting a splinter. Let me now set up the experiment for you. Take the beaker, pour water in it, a sufficient quantity of water. Add sodium bicarbonate in it. Stir it. Sodium bicarbonate is added as a source of carbon dioxide. Take the hydrilla plants. Put the cut ends together. These are the cut ends. Carefully put it inside the mouth of the funnel. And now put this funnel inside the water in the beaker. Yes, you can see the stems right till here. Take a test tube, fill it with water, bend your beaker slightly and quickly invert the test tube full of water. Conditions for photosynthesis are all present here. Carbon dioxide is in the water. We have added sodium bicarbonate. Chlorophyll is present. Oxygen is there. And we'll keep this setup in bright sunlight and observe after a few hours what has happened. 4 hours later, let us have a look at our setup. Well, we find the water level has gone down in the test tube. Lot many bubbles are seen here. Recall the aim of the experiment was to prove oxygen gas is evolved during photosynthesis. Now I need to check it out whether the test tube really contains oxygen. And for this, I'll place the feebly burning splinter at the mouth of the test tube. You must observe how it burns. Lift the test tube very carefully from the stem of the funnel, taking care that no water enters. Immediately close its mouth with your thumb. And now let me test by introducing a splinter. See how brightly it continues to burn. This experiment proves that oxygen gas has been evolved during photosynthesis. Now, what are the precautions for the experiment? You should take a water plant alone because it gives us the best results, as I have taken hydrilla. You should never forget to add sodium bicarbonate into water because sodium bicarbonate is a source of carbon dioxide, and set this experiment in bright sunlight.